Welcome to the world of Praxar simulations. Experiential and hands-on, our business simulations add a winning edge to classroom learning. The story of the Praxar collection is one of education technology at its best. Praxar puts 20 years of expertise to work, offering students a unique learning experience and providing instructors with a robust and versatile teaching tool. Praxar Kayak is our most successful business simulation by far. Students take the helm of a kayak manufacturing company in financial difficulty. Now in its third edition, Praxar Kayak is intuitive and easy to use even for the most tech-shy. There are two versions of Praxar Kayak. The standard version tackles 16 market segments and is designed for use in a first or second year business course. It offers team or solo versions. This choice depends on your class size and learning objectives. In Praxar Kayak Plus, there are 80 market segments, increasing the challenge for students in entrepreneurship or MBA level courses. Learning by doing is the best way to understand the ABCs of business. In Praxar Kayak, students apply the principles and theories of marketing, production, human resources, and finance all at once. Praxar Kayak's unique pedagogical model is divided into 3 phases. The preparation phase prepares the students individually. Phase 2 is where the simulation begins. Students break into teams to form companies. The evaluation section has a variety of tools for assessing the students both individually and as a team. Role-playing, a cornerstone of experiential learning, is at the heart of all our business simulations. In Praxar Kayak, students play the role of a new general manager. They report to the chair of the board and supervise a team of 4 managers. The simulation generates a virtual market in which students' companies compete for customers. The size of the virtual market depends on class size and the number of companies. Each competing team will receive guidelines from the chair of the board. The strategy will be the same for each team but varies with each round of the simulation. At the beginning of the simulation, all the teams start with the same assets. Their company has been up and running for 2 years, but sales remain slow. Students work together to make business decisions. Instructors may want to oversee some of the team decisions to provide feedback. The business decisions to be made are grouped by department or function. There is a virtual manager for each of the company's departments: production, HR, marketing, and finance. Which market segments do we go after? What's the best pricing strategy? How many kayaks should we produce this year? How do we motivate our employees and keep them productive? Some decisions are more strategic in nature, allowing the student teams to show their true entrepreneurial spirit. A mini case study is included in each round as an element of surprise and provides an excellent discussion tool. Students can use several tools to check their decisions: the retail price calculator to project gross margins, the quality index to ensure coherent decision-making, and the estimated budget to help students figure out if the company is on track. The instructor gives students a deadline for completing all their decisions, after which the round closes and the market is simulated. If a team misses the deadline for a given round, the software will provide default decisions. Once the round is closed, the results appear within a few minutes. Praxar Kayak allows a maximum of 10 rounds. Most instructors will have their students do 6 or 7 rounds. Students love the world ranking. Their performance is divided into 5 sections: share value, sales in dollars, sales in units, number of employees, and net earnings. Instructors are adamant that their students learn how to read financial statements. Praxar Kayak gives students several opportunities to get used to analyzing financial data: financial reports, graphics showing trends over several years, advice from the virtual managers based on the previous year's results. Praxar Kayak quickly becomes a serious game. One company's gains in market share come at the expense of its competitors. Students can buy a market study to get the upper hand, but they also learn the cost of buying such market intelligence. With each round of trial and error learning, students improve their problem-solving skills. practical and necessary skills in today's workforce. Praxar Kayak comes ready to use with minimal configuration. The Praxar team manages the registration and onboarding process for instructors. The instructor portal is divided into 3 sections: preparation, simulation, and evaluation, allowing instructors to monitor each student's and each team's progress. The preparation phase familiarizes students with the kayak manufacturing industry. There are 20 interactive tutorials covering business concepts as they apply to this industry. The work here is done individually, usually outside of class, and takes about 3 hours. Once students enter the simulation phase, teams are created. Instructors assign each student a team number, and the simulation creates the teams automatically. Calendar allows instructors to plan ahead, manage their class schedule, and control deadlines. Instructors control the number of rounds to be played from their portal. They can simulate the market manually in class or use the calendar to schedule a simulation deadline. Results are generated in about 2 minutes, after which students automatically move to the next round. The Prof portal provides detailed information about performance. Students don't have access to this information. The financial statements of all teams are compared on a single table to see differences in their performance. There is also a decision quality tool to help instructors determine where teams are having difficulty. There are various tools to generate lively discussions, such as the industry analysis. This report is generated after each round, providing a snapshot of the overall performance of the class. A conclusion plenary slideshow is also available after the final round has been completed. Some instructors are uneasy about using the share value to grade students. No worries, there are plenty of other evaluation tools you can use. Using our logbook feature, instructors can ask students to explain their decisions in a brief essay after each round. This can be done individually or in teams. For your convenience, these essays are compiled into a single Word file in the instructor portal. A multiple choice quiz is available and corrected automatically. Results are available in Excel format. There is also a 360-degree evaluation for the teen version, which continues to be very popular. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Praxar Kayak. We also have simulations for management, marketing, and accounting. The Praxar team offers exceptional customer service throughout the session. The Praxar collection is flexible, secure, and easy to use, providing 24/7 online access for students and instructors. To learn more about Praxar simulations, you can head over to our website at praxar.com or give us a call at 1-855-455-0700.